Hey, Matt from Racks Galore, and do I have some exciting news for you. So we have just added one of the biggest names in adventure gear to our Racks Galore lineup. And we've actually got one of our cars in one of our stores today so that we can put a brand new front runner system on there. So let's head into the workshop, get everything off there that's currently up there. So we've got a clean canvas to work from, and let's see what they're all about. Let's go. So we've got Hayden here from Front Runner. How are you, buddy?
Good, mate. Yourself?
Oh, not too bad, man. Good to see you. So we've got your new Front Runner platform here, ready to go in the car, or in the boxes, ready to go. So while we're putting this together, do you reckon you can tell us some of the great features and what makes Front Runner such a popular choice among adventurers?
Certainly, mate. So we've got some sport roof rack here. So as you can see, we have the complete rack, your wind fairing down the bottom as well, and a couple of accessories around it.
These accessories look exciting, but we'll get to those. We'll get to those.
Yes. This is our most popular rack. It's a super low profile integrated light bar on the front end, and if you don't want a light bar, you can choose for a wind fairing that covers the whole front.
Okay, awesome.
Just wait and see till it's installed. You're gonna love it.
Oh, dude, I'm so excited. So with that wind fairing, so I can fit both the wind fairing and my light bar? It's like integrated into it, you were saying?
So there's a cutout in the front. Your light bar will sit right in front. You can use the 40-inch light bar we have as well.
Come on.
And if you don't want that, if later on down the track you want to change it, you can take the light bar off and just change the wind fairing altogether.
It looks pretty low on the car. Is it? It's going to sit like to the testament of the title, Slim Sport. It's quite slim, isn't it?
Yes, super slim. So the slats actually go into the foot rails. So
and the foot rails being what's mounting to the roof.
Correct.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so it all bolts together as like one solid unit.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, that's cool. And is that what's going to make it sit a little bit lower? Because traditionally a lot of platforms sit on top of that.
Yes.
But because yours is bolting into it, that's going to give it that little bit reduced height, is it?
Bolt straight to the side, so it's nice and low.
Oh, dude, I'm excited. All right, well, let's get this out of the box. Let's get it together. All right, get this out of the way. Oh, the stickers in here. That comes with every Front Runner platform?
Yep.
Dude, okay, so that's the foot rail. And then there's the slats. It even comes with Loctite instructions, QR codes, so I don't have to flick through paper. We don't read instructions anyway. No, we definitely need instructions.
Makeshift table.
Because what I'll do is I'll put this and put this and this, and this. So they're the slats. That's the foot rail, and then that's all the hardware. If you're a pretty capable person, this is something you could achieve at home. It's much easier if you come to Racks Galore because we have a fit guarantee and you know it's going to be done right the first time. So what's the best way to do this? Is it to lay them?
So just to start at one at a time, so pull that out.
Front runner logo to the front or to the back?
To the front.
Oh, I see. So that, if you get a close up of this, Paul, I'm starting to immediately see how easy this is going to be. So this is the foot rail that's going to go onto the side of the car. It's going to sit up kind of like this, if you can see. So that's what's going to bolt into the roof. But you can kind of see there's 2 bolt holes, 2 bolt holes, 2 holes, 2 holes, etc. And this little cutout, and that perfectly lines up with the channel. So you can't put a slat in the wrong location. They're all the same size. They're all the same thicknesses. This is going to be so quick and easy to put together. All right, let's keep cracking on. They even include like quite a large bottle of Loctite, which tells me we should be Loctiting every single bolt. So if you're going out to the middle of nowhere on some serious corrugation, you're going to be very happy that Front Runner has thought ahead and given you Loctite for every bolt. This is a great thing to include. Well done, Front Runner. We've put the very front one down lower. There are actually 2 places it can go. And because we're putting the wind fairing with the light bar on there, we actually put the very front one in this lower section. All right, so we've just unboxed the wind fairing. We've got everything in.
So that'll go down the top of your car. So it'll literally just roll out underneath. Yep. And then your wind fairing will sit on top. So it'll just protect your paint. It comes with 2 different light bar brackets. So you got these ones. So they have a little cutout there and they're sort of angled back. And you also have your straight cut ones. So these are the best ones to keep the light bar nice and low to the front slat, where these ones will sit the light bar a little bit higher up and a little bit further back.
we're about ready to chuck the platform up here now. But before we do, there's these cool little spacers that you need to put over the factory mounting points, because the D-Max actually has mounting points built into the roof. So you just cut that rubber strip that's normally there, or remove the rails if you've got an X-Terrain. And then all these are doing is just lifting that platform up just that little bit, because it is so slim that if you don't use these spacers, it's going straight onto the roof. And this is also a great way to avoid metal on metal contact. Just the more we get into this fit, the more and more I'm noticing they're really thinking of just all the little details. Let's get that up here. Check the light bar. All right, how are we looking for straightness? All right, so there we go, that's all fitted up. But now, as you can see here, we've got this huge array of accessories we need to put up there. So this is a great opportunity to show you just how easily you can fit accessories to your Front Runner Slim Sport platform. So if you've upgraded the car, you've just got your Front Runner platform, but you've already got a bunch of accessories, this is a great chance to show you just how easily you can transport them over to your new Slim Sport platform. Or if you're just getting into the game, you'll see this is a great place to start because of how modular it is and just how many things you can put up there. So let's get that done. All right, so we've got the car in the workshop still, but I wanted to show you the Front Runner platform with the Front Runner light bar mounted to it. Look at how slim that is. You can tell that is built for a purpose. That is so clean. So this is on one of the new model Amaroks. Look, I just love that, it's tidy. Mate, we're done. We're all done.
We're done.
Dude, how good does this look? We've got the awning back on, the shower awning, we've got the new Front Runner double jerry can holder, eye bolts. All the accessories that were on before are back on again.
How easy is that?
Mate, that was so simple. And the fact we do have a multitude of different brands on here, not just Front Runner, and it all works.
How good is that?
What
easy
a great
using the
setup.
M8 bolts, hey, just straight through the channels.
They made life so simple. And I love how low profile this platform is too. Like, we're gonna have to chuck a tape measure on this because that's bloody low, mate.
Yes, definitely is.
No, I think it's great, man. Well, I just want to say thanks for coming down.
That's right.
Thanks for giving us a hand and swinging some spanners, but we'll definitely have to do this again soon.
Yep, perfect.
Awesome.
Sounds good.
Let's go. And that's it. The Front Runner platform is fitted. All the accessories are on. The car is ready for adventure. And hey, if you are looking for a strong, versatile system that can handle all the abuse you're going to throw at it, definitely check out the full range of Front Runner products on our website, or you can head into any one of our 30 stores across Australia and now even New Zealand, and our team of experts is more than happy to help you find the perfect solution for what you're trying to do. And all of our stores even offer professional fitting, and with our rack fit guarantee, there is nothing to worry about but where you're off to next.